Welcome back to Northeast Ohio Veggie Garden. Today we're going to start harvesting our garlic. The leaves are dying back, and what you want to look for is the first 5 to 6 leaves at the bottom that are dead and shriveled up. That's when you'll know that the garlic is ready. It's been a little wet here lately with us watering and a couple little rainstorms, but it's showing that it's being very easy to pull out. Some people say don't pull them because you'll break the stem out. Others say dig it out with a trowel or a fork. But if you do end up breaking a stem, just end up using it. You don't have to worry about trying to store it. Some of them were a little tough, so she was having a good time pulling garlic out, but it was coming out, no breaks. Our onions are getting close to coming out. The carrots right next door are looking pretty good. But all these garlics are looking very awesome. Large heads. The paper surrounding the garlic that will help it store is formed very nice. So I think we're going to have a great year for garlic. Also make sure that you save some of the biggest cloves for next year. We're going to plant about 15 plants like we did this past year, and that lasts us about a year. We're not big garlic eaters, but homegrown garlic on some French bread with some cheese and butter and chives and parsley. Oh, that makes awesome garlic bread. So just if your garlic is ready and the first 5 leaves have died back, go ahead and harvest them. Hang them up to dry for about a month to store them, and they'll be ready for your enjoyment. Thank you, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and tell your friends about us. And thank you again for joining Northeast Ohio Veggie Garden.